The Olympia School Board has unanimously agreed to place an educational programs and operations replacement levy before voters on the February 13th, 2024 special election ballot. The proposed levy is not a new tax. The measure on the February 2024 ballot would replace an expiring four-year educational programs and operations levy that voters approved in 2020. The replacement levy would continue to pay for programs and services that are not fully funded by state basic education funding. This includes some classroom and district-wide support staff, such as paraeducators, custodians, social and mental health supports, and security. Levy funds would also continue to help support middle and high school athletics and activities, transportation outside of the basic school day, special education, visual and performing arts programs, staff professional development, and maintenance and operations. The Educational Programs and Operations Replacement Levy provides about 16% of the Olympia School District's budgeted revenue, raising an estimated $177.3 million over 4 years. The estimated maximum tax rate for this levy proposal would be $2.50 per $1,000 of assessed valuation. The levy tax rate is a function of the final dollar amount of the assessed value of property within the school district. We encourage you to learn more about our district's replacement levy proposal. You can visit the replacement levy webpage on the school district website at osd.wednet.edu or by simply scanning our QR code. Questions may be emailed to levy2024@osd.wednet.edu. Please remember to vote by February 13th, 2024.